What are the main components of a RAG system and how do they work together? Answer: a RAG retrieval augmented generation system is a powerful tool that combines the strengths of two main components, the retriever and the generator. The retriever is responsible for searching and collecting relevant information from external sources, such as databases, documents, or websites. This information is then used by the generator, which is typically an advanced language model, to create clear and accurate text. The retriever ensures that the system has access to the most up-to-date information, while the generator combines this with its own knowledge to produce better answers. The retriever works by querying external sources and retrieving relevant information based on the input query. This information is then passed to the generator, which uses it to create a response. The generator uses its own knowledge and understanding of the topic to combine the retrieved information with its own ideas and concepts, producing a response that is both accurate and informative. The key to the success of our RAG system is the collaboration between the retriever and the generator. The retriever provides the generator with the most relevant and up-to-date information, while the generator uses this information to create a response that is both accurate and informative. This collaboration enables the system to produce responses that are more accurate and informative than the generator could produce on its own. In summary, the main component of our RAG system are the retriever and the generator, which work together to provide accurate and informative responses. The retriever searches for and collects relevant information from external sources, while the generator uses this information to create a response. The collaboration between the two components enables the system to produce responses that are more accurate and informative than the generator could produce on its own.